right, Donny. What do you think?
Yes, 2 wheels and only 2 wheels, please.
Yes, 2 wheels, please. Where are we gonna go today?
Well, we're gonna go to the vape shop, Snipe.
Gonna get some vape stuff? All right, I like it. Let's do this.
Yes, let's go. Ooh, would you feel the wind going through my hair?
Yeah, it sure is windy, I'll tell you.
But we would rather have the wind blowing through our hair than nothing at all, ain't that right, Snipe? You tell 'em.
I'd rather ride in the wind than not ride at all.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a brisk 45 degrees in Wisconsin.
Oh man, it sure makes my nuts shrivel up.
It's not the nicest weather, but could be worse. Could be snowing. If it ain't snowing, I'm riding.
Yes, me too. Let's go. 2 wheels, please. Hey, Snipe, I got a question.
Yeah, what's up, Donny?
So how does it feel to ride on 2 wheels?
Oh, I love it.
You really like it?
Oh, it feels good to be on 2 wheels.
Yes, it sure does. I always ride on 2 wheels. Hey, we need to get a biscuit.
So, Donny, why don't you tell them a little bit about Wisconsin? Tell the viewers why you enjoy Wisconsin and why people need to ride on 2 wheels in the great state of Wisconsin. Take it away.
Well, you know, Snipe, just look around. Look at all the beautiful scenery, all the farmland, all the other people riding on 2 wheels. We got the best roads out here. We have nice hills, very cool atmosphere. Every biker is just so friendly. You know, you give a wave and they wave right back. You know, and I really don't have to bust out my biscuit that much out here. You know, in other states, I really gotta carry that sucker around. But in Wisconsin, it's just you and the wind and the bike. Yes.
Yeah, I love the scenery too. The scenery is great. The riders are great. You just gotta watch out for other people on the road because so early in the riding season, people don't really see you.
Well, that's when I pull out my biscuit and let them have it.
No, you can't pull out your biscuit, Donny.
Yes.
No.
Well, why not?
Because if you do that, you're gonna get thrown in jail for a lot longer than if you were doing it in, say, FIVEPDRP or first response gaming.
Well, that's only if I get caught by the police. You know, they just might not catch me, Snipe. All right.
Where are we, Donny?
No, we're at the vape shop.
Yes. Good, how are you? I need some Pashas.
Okay, which kind you thinking?
Let's go with...
Oh, Snipe, go with watermelon, please. Watermelon, come on.
Do you have watermelon?
Yeah, we sure do, hon. Just regular watermelon, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, I think this one will do for now.
You got it, young man. You got it. Let's open up and just try it if you can, just to make sure it's gonna work. I mean, it tastes good.
Sure.
What else you got going on today?
I'm recording some video.
Nice. What kind of video?
YouTube.
Okay. And what do you put on YouTube?
I I run a channel on there, and we do this something new I'm trying out. I play a character. He's a biker,
Okay.
and trying to bring him to life with this.
Okay, cool. Yeah, how fun. How
Yeah.
interesting. That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's fun what you can do nowadays, isn't it?
I know.
It really is. It's really fascinating.
Yeah.
You know, the world's at your fingertips. You just gotta use your imagination.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're having a party here at 420.
Did she just say 420, Snipe? You know what that means? Party time.
You don't have to be here to win, okay?
When is it? On 420?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're not here, but you come the next couple of weeks, we're gonna keep these tickets that people won.
Okay.
The board behind you. You just look under the board behind you and see if your number matches up with one of those, and you'll get the prize, you know, that present or whatever. So,
Cool.
stay safe out there, yeah.
All right. Yeah. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. See ya. All right. Well, that was fun. Donny Doinks, what do you think of that vape shop?
Oh, that lady was so nice, and they have so many different varieties of vapes. I like it.
Yeah, the owner is pretty cool. They got the best flavors, the best mixtures of everything. And we just might have to go back there on, what date was that?
420.
420. All right, so right down here is a bar that has the best Taco Tuesday. Really good tacos. And if you're from this area, if you're around the Slinger area, I highly suggest you stop at Cheryl's Club right here. The best tacos on Tuesday, and they're cheap. Donnie, you've had their tacos before, haven't you?
Oh, yes, and they're the best. I like it.
And what do you think of them? Are they good? Are they the best?
2 tacos and only 2 tacos.
You always get 2 tacos and only 2 tacos. Yeah, I'm a chunkier man, so I gotta have 4 tacos, please. And only 4 tacos.
Oh, Snipe, look at the cows. Can we touch one, please?
Oh yeah, you don't wanna touch one of them asses, Donnie.
Oh, come on. All right, we'll save it for Betsy, right? I think she would like it.
Yeah, save that for Betsy. Betsy likes to get dirty, doesn't she?
Oh, what do you mean she likes to get dirty? She is dirty, Snipe. Gross. Yuck. Ugh.
Yeah, if you guys never ridden a motorcycle before, I highly recommend it. If you guys ever have a really shitty day and you just want to forget about it and just enjoy some fresh air, want to get trained on a motorcycle, take a motorcycle class, get your motorcycle temps, learn it. It's not that hard. It takes a little bit of practice to get used to, but once you know how to ride a motorcycle, you'll never forget. And I'll tell you, it's great. It's a great feeling. You can get yourself a cheap, crappy motorcycle for a couple $100. Yeah, it may not be perfect, it may need some work, but you know what, you'll be able to ride. Now, I've never taken this road this way. I have no idea what's back here, but we're about to find out. So this is new to me. Is it new to you, Donnie?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever been on this road. Oh, look it up there. Look it. Do you see what I see?
Oh yeah, that's our favorite sign on a motorcycle. The twisties. The snake. The snake. Warning to us. It's not a warning. It means it's time for adventure. Now you gotta watch out for loose gravel. That is one thing you do not want to get your tires on, is some loose gravel. Let me tell you, I've heard some stories and they ain't pretty. See that? There's some loose gravel down there. Ah yeah, look at this. Alright, so this was the end of this video. Go ahead, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe,
Yes.
tap the bell to get notified, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, I'm SnipeU1st,
And I'm Donny Doinks.
and we'll see you on the next video.